In this video, I will show you how you can insert SIM cards on your Samsung Galaxy A37 or the A57. Now to do that, first of all, just grab the SIM card ejection tool which comes with your smartphone in the box, or you can use any other SIM card ejection tool. Now just grab your Galaxy phone. Now at the bottom of your Samsung phone, you will find the SIM card tray. Inside the SIM card tray, you will find the SIM card hole. Now from here, just insert the SIM card ejection tool inside the SIM card tray hole and press it gently. Now just make sure you do not poke the microphone of your Samsung phone by mistake, because the microphone is over here and the SIM card tray hole is on the SIM card cutout. Now after you've done that, now just extract the SIM card tray. And as you can see over here, you can insert your SIM card. As you can see, you have the option for SIM 1 and SIM 2, as this phone supports dual SIM. Now to insert your SIM card, just grab one of your SIM cards and insert it in the SIM card tray hole. And if you want to use two SIM cards at the same time, then just grab the other SIM card and insert it on the other side. Now after you insert the SIM card in the SIM card tray, then just insert the SIM card tray back into your phone. As you can see, this is how you can insert your SIM card in your Samsung phone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.